I don't wanna collab, no, unless I hit you up.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an everything that we play. Sit right next to you. How I feel about you, make a wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you, you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around.
For all your friends outside.
Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away, palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an everything's how we play. Sit right next to you, you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Make a wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
You inside a G-class, that's just a starter kit. Plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck is chess games. Cause shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more purple rain prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting it. The pessimist gold medalists flush the magnums just so they not collecting my specimens. Damn.
Claps.
All in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your thing. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too out there. Maybe you forget something. Maybe you're out of the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. Need you right in my space. Baby, I'm late, but I
Probably, if it got your attention, then it was probably supposed to. Like, yeah, bitch, you right.
I thought you wanted to hit the windshield, but what are you doing? But
Is your favorite kind of 10 out of 10?
It's a 10. And this is worth $19, I guess.
Not, I guess.
Baby, I'm busy.
Is it good?
It's so good.
Shit.
For a 2, it's 34.
I was hoping to get done, but it's very important for me to not be frustrated or irritated when I'm doing my hair, because I feel like I'm just like putting that energy into my hair, and it's a permanent hairstyle. So I just imagine the frustration and the anger being intertwined in my locks. I know that's very dramatic, but it is what it is. So I've called it quits for today. I finished, well, the front was done yesterday. I did all of the back and this section. So I have this section and this whole crown left. We're just gonna pick it back up tomorrow. I'm not gonna do that to myself. So I stopped about an hour ago and I've just been chilling on the couch, but I am going to dinner with a couple of my neighbor friends. I say friends because I just met them. Like, I barely know them, but I was invited to dinner. So I'm gonna get in the shower. We'll probably do, I don't know, I don't want to mess up my sections, but we'll probably just do a head wrap today, and I'll put this section in braids or something. But yeah, I'm getting in the shower and getting dressed for that. I'm gonna be like kind of cute, but not anything too crazy.
So hold on, don't let me go. Hold on. So hold on, don't let me go.
So, fun fact about me, fashion, not my thing. It's not that I can't dress, I just don't care to. I want to be comfortable, but sometimes you still want to be a baddie. And the ways that I wish to balance that out in my head are weird. But then you look at the high fashion industry and the things that like celebrities wear, and then you're just like, you know what? Do whatever the fuck you want. So I've been stepping into the era of, even if you think it's weird, you like it, put it on. So that's what's happening tonight. So I'll either go for these light ones or a pair of darker ones. Ooh, actually, let's do the kind of distressed but classy. Actually, since I'm doing sweatshirt, let's go super distressed. This is my closet, by the way. I don't know that I've ever shown y'all, but these are all the clothes that I own, except for my athletic wear and my Skins, which is in my drawer. But we're gonna go for distressed Fashion Nova, and we're gonna go for cropped hoodie, yes, naked wardrobe. I actually don't own a pair of like just regular sandal black heels. I have pumps and I have chunky open toe. But it's cold, so boots it is.
I got my demons too, I know just how you feel. You can be real with me, that's why you're still with me. Can't hide behind a categorization. I don't even care if you lie to me, cause there ain't much that gets about me these days. I say I do just to say I do. Don't give me no reason to go through your phone. This is deeper than you know. This is that-ish, this is years, but now the rules are. So hold on, don't let me go. Hold on. So hold on, don't let me go. You tell me you love me, well tell me again. Yeah. I need the reassurance every now and then. pretend. Love ain't a game full of X's and O's, but I done been played before. I played it safe before. Gave it up to somebody who didn't deserve my body. You gon' have to let it shoulder help me kill this takeover. I believe you love me, exceed your needs, and you can take responsibilities of my healing. I'm feeling you're gon' trade the years that we put in. So hold on, don't let me go. Hold on, don't let me go.
No damn sense. Alright, let's go in the living room so y'all can tell me what y'all think, which doesn't really matter because I'm wearing it regardless. I can't get my camera off of the thingy. I figured at this point you're probably sick of music, so it'd be a good thing for me to talk. But let me turn off my music. But, excuse the cold. Y'all, don't let me get abs. Y'all be sick of me for real. I think I like the no belt look. I wish these were like a little bit baggier, but I have no baggy jeans. I need to order some. The lighting is not helping my situation. I like it. It's weird, but I like it. I think it says Denasiha, so we are gonna go with it. I really need to go like casual heel shopping, or just heel shopping, because I don't have a lot of different style of heels, but these will do. This is it. I'm like an hour early. What time is it? 6:50. We're gonna be there at 7:45. I'm good on time because I need to. He is staring off into the abyss, meaning, sir, you need to go potty? Come on, let's go potty. All right, peace.